Hey everybody, it's Jill. I want to show you a quick way you can get information into Command, client information into your database, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen with y'all. Okay, so we're going to go to Command and we're going to create a landing page. So over here on the left-hand side, down at the bottom is the consumer applet. Once you click on that across the top, you're going to want to click on landing page, and we're going to create a landing page, and you'll see that it just takes a minute or so to create a landing page. So I'm going to go ahead and click on landing page. And in this top right hand corner, in this top right hand corner, I'm going to hit the blue create new page button. It's going to ask us if we want to do agent site or landing page. We're just going to do a landing page. I'm going to go ahead and hit create page. First thing I want to do is I want to make sure that I give it a name so that I know what this page is actually called. And I'm going to call this maybe we should call it database info. And I'm going to click away, and that just saves the name. Okay. And then we decide from all of these widgets what we want this page to look like. You could use the branded header, which is just a small little piece of information with your name and phone number. I like the agent branding. It gives more information. And then the lead form, because we're trying to get a lead. You could use other widgets if you'd like, but the main point of this page is to just collect data. Once information is put in on this, it goes straight into Command. So I'm going to go ahead and hit configure widgets so I can show you what can be done. On the lead form section, this can be changed to whatever you would like. Please fill in your information. And then once I hit save and apply, you'll see that it changes that and updates it here on my landing page. I'm going to go ahead and hit publish. I'm done, you guys. That easy. Yes, update it. Yes, publish this page. And now I've got a live website that's a single page, and this is the URL for it. I can leave it like this, or I can customize it if I would like. I'm going to go ahead and hit the 3 menu dots on the right. I'm going to hit change URL. The main part of this, it has to stay the same. My name and my KW ID. I'm going to go ahead and change this backend, and I'm going to name it database info. And as you can see, I've done this demonstration before. The words are auto-populating. Database info, and I'm going to hit create. And you can see now this URL is database info. I'm going to go ahead and copy this. And there's a few different things with it. I'm going to hit copy. So I can actually just paste this in here and boom, go straight to this website. I can email this out and get people to put in their information. I can also go to a QR code generator. There's a bunch of free ones out there. This is one I found that's pretty easy to work. It's free. If you want it to be fancier, you can do a paid version. But I can select the URL and I can paste in the URL right here. And if you notice, just watch, it's going to generate a QR code over here for me once I paste this in. So I'm going to paste it in, and there it goes. Boom, it just generated a QR code for me. So if I use my cell phone and I open up the camera just like we do in restaurants to scan menus, I can scan that, and boom, you can see it takes me straight to that landing page. All right. So that's the QR code. You can save that QR code. You can email it to yourself. You can save it on your phone. You can save it as your screensaver. And the example is maybe you want to use Gary's script of, oh, hey, I don't have a business card. Let me get your information and I'll be in contact with you. Um, with the COVID world, maybe you don't want anyone to touch your phone. They can scan your QR code and they can fill their information in right away. Another option to get information into Command quickly is to email yourself this link and to save it to your phone screen, your home screen on your phone. So I'm going to go ahead and show you real quick. I'm going to hit create. I'm going to, down here, I'm going to use the little link. I'm going to paste in the URL right here. I'm going to hit OK. There it is. You can see is the link. I'm just going to name it landing page, and I'm going to send it to myself. And I'm going to go ahead and hit send. There it is already, but I'm going to open this on my cell phone. So I'm going to stop sharing so you guys can see me big. And so I can show you on my cell phone what this looks like. So I'm going to go to my Gmail. And on my Gmail, you can see that top email. And there is the landing page that we just created and I just sent to myself. So if I touch that, it's going to go to Chrome. I'd rather do this in Safari just because I know how that's going to work a little bit better. So I'm going to go ahead and copy the link. I copied the link. I'm going to go to Safari. I'm going to paste in the link. So I just pasted the link. You can see there it is. And I'm going to hit go. So here is the page, right? The page to collect data. On an iPhone, there is and in Safari, there's a little square with an arrow shooting out of the top. I'm going to touch that. And it didn't do it. It gives me options. And this bottom one says add to home screen. So I'm going to touch that. It's going to ask me what I want it to be. And I'm going to go ahead and hit add. And now, as you can see, I've got what looks like a new app on my phone that's going to take me directly to this landing page. So how I'm going to use this is if I'm out and about and I meet somebody that I need to collect their information, I can open my phone, touch that little app. It's going to take me directly to the landing page. I'm going to put in the client's information or the person I just met at Kroger's information. It does not have a physical address box in this lead form. So I'm going to go ahead and put their address in the notes. And then when you open it in Command, because this information is going to automatically go in Command, when you open it in Command, you will have the address and notes. You can copy and paste it into their contacts. So I hope that helps. It's always better the more people you can get into your database, the better off you are. And this saves you a second step from putting it into your phone and transferring it to Command. So I hope this helps. Have a great day.